Hey guys, it's Simone. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little different. What I'm doing here is just showing you guys how I maintain my short pixie cut. The style that I'll be basically doing today will be a basic, just mold and go, where you don't have to put any curls in your hair. You're not having to deal with any heat, really, besides, the dryer, but you guys will see that once we get to it. But yeah, I'm just cutting my own hair. It's really hard to cut your own hair, especially the back of your head. So, but I've been doing this on my own head for a little while now. So I don't advise, if you do have a stylist or a, beauty professional, please go to them, and let them hook you up. But girl, it's summertime and I just love a sleek pixie cut, girl. Ain't nothing like it, sis. You know what I'm saying? A sleek little black pixie cut, like it gives. So yeah, I'm just cutting, and just trying to get it as short as I like it. Because for me, the shorter the hair, the better it is for me. The better styles that it holds, the longer it lasts. Look at that, girl, that's just too long. Chop it, sis. Girl, I chopped that hair right on off of there, honey. And that may not even be short enough, but I think I'm going back up in there some more. But like I said, it is kind of hard doing your own. So, yeah, but I think I did pretty good. So, yeah, just cutting and examining it now. All right, so now we're going to go into molding your hair. So now I've cut it. Molding it now. And I did add a little relaxer to the back and sides, guys. I don't guess I didn't put that in here. But yeah, I did add a relaxer to the back and sides. I didn't put any on the top, just the sides and the back to lay everything down. So I'm just adding the molding foam, and it's the Nairobi. That's what I'm using. And then you want to get a small tooth comb to comb everything down. And you see how I'm following the comb with my hand. You always want to do that to make sure it's getting very straight and slick as you want it to be. So always follow your hand with the comb, okay? See, my top is still a little wavy because I didn't relax it, but that's cool with me because I like my hair to be a little fuller in the top and not as straight, okay? So that's the back. And what I'm doing here is just like face framing. That's what you want to do. When you have a pixie cut, you want to frame your face so that it gives you that cute little look, like little wave look or something. So always add your little face framing. You can just do little waves or just comb it straight down, but always always frame your face, okay? So yeah, that's what I'm doing. And like I said, a small tooth comb, a rat tail comb, because see how I'm using the end to kind of pull it all together? Yeah, that's what you want, sis. So you're just molding it on down. And it usually don't take this long. Sometimes your hair don't want to act right, girl. So you got to go back and fix it and get it to your liking. Okay. But yeah, so once it's all molded and it's the way you want it, now you can apply your foams. And I'm just making sure the back and everything is laying down straight. Girl, I cut the mess out that back, sis. It is laying down, honey. That's what I'm talking about. So yeah, add your first strip. And then you want to add another strip. And as you see, the first two I didn't tie. I'm just kind of wrapping around so that it doesn't mess up my mold and my little face framing that I did. Okay, and then the next one is going to go at the top of my head just to lay the top part flat because like I said, I didn't relax it. So we want that to be as flat as possible. So add you like 1 or 2 strips at the top. And then I added another one, and then I added that one, and then I did tie that one in the front, as you can see. So now let's go to the dryer. So just sit on the dryer. Give yourself about 20 to 30 minutes. I do like 20 with the strips on, and then like 10 with the strips off. And it just depends on the thickness, of your hair. You know what I'm saying? So that is it without the strips. Yeah. And then here I'm just kind of edging up my back and just kind of lining everything up and getting rid of like loose little hair that's around, just trying to make it look neat and put together in the back. And like I said, y'all, it's very tricky, honey, when you're doing it yourself, so you want to be careful if you're doing this yourself, because you don't want to plug your head, honey. Trust and believe, I have been there and I have done that. But yeah, so just, you know, very lightly go over and line up your back. And see, now it's like, okay, I gotta switch sides because I'm right-handed. Now I'm trying to do the girl. It's hard, honey. So you got a person, go to them, sis. I'm telling you now. Don't even try it at home. Let somebody else hook it up for you. But yeah, so I'm just edging up my back, getting it all neat and straight and even. Cute, cute, cute. And then here I'm just gonna add a little oil to my hair, and that's carrot hair oil. I'm just going to add just a little bit. See, just a little bit. You don't need a lot. Rub that in your hands real good. And then, girl, slather it on your head, honey. Just slather it on there. See how I'm doing? Just slather it on in there. Just to give that head a shine. Because, hey, we're not going to put no curls in this today. We just want to be cute. And we want to be quick. And we don't want to have to do nothing else, okay? Slick that on down, girl. Put your earrings on. And I got my lips popping. Put your lipstick on. And sis, you ready to go, okay? I get more compliments when my hair is like that anyway. But anywho, see, I decided to add curls just to show you guys, you know, you can add a little oomph to it. And the curls was real quick and easy, girl. I didn't do much at all. So just a little bump and curl, honey. A little bump and go. And yeah, this is the style. Oh, and that's the TG wax stick. So it's a wax stick that holds all your little flyaways and all the little hairs, and it kind of holds it down. And I just like to use it to go over my face framing just to make sure everything is laying down and looking cute and, you know, all together. And that's just like a little edge brush that I got from the beauty supply. Yeah, and I'm just steady framing my little face and my sideburns and stuff, because I gotta have my sideburns, honey. It just does something to me, girl, to have them sideburns. But yeah, so that's all. And then, you know, you just want a finger style. I didn't need any combs or anything. Just kind of toss your hair around the way you like it. Bring it to the front, take it to the side. You know, whatever your vibe is, sis. I'm just real simple, girl. I used to do all the other stuff, but at this point, I just want simplicity. I just want easy breezy. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, girl, that's the little pixie style, cutting style, and I'm loving it, honey. She's cute or whatever. Get it together, girl. Look at her. Styling and profiling, honey, like they used to say back in the day. Styling and profiling. Thank you, guys. Look at me. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. See y'all in the next